Let's just get started with the Pixel 6 here, the smaller one. So we've got these little plastic tabs on the sides of this recycled cardboard box. You get past those, flip it over, and right up at the top, there you have it. This is the kinda coral Pixel 6, looking exactly how we've seen it in all these materials and on websites and in teasers for the past 6 months or however long it's been. This is it. Flat display up front, camera visor on the back, with two different tones, two different color oranges on this design. But with the rest of the box, as you can see, if we get into that, you get a USB Type-C cable and you have a USB-A adapter along with some paperwork, and there is a SIM card removal tool over here also. But yeah, as you can tell,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
there is no charging brick in the box. But now we know this phone will start at $599.
Nice.
Let's get started with the Pixel 6. I'll unbox this one first, and it looks like we have ourselves what is called the Sorta Seafoam Edition. So that is the colorway here. One thing that I noticed about the box though, when you go over to the sides, you can get a little bit of that color here on the sides. It might not be obvious on the cameras right now, but there's a bit of like a sorta seafoam hue to the sides of this box. All right, and here we go. Super exciting. This is the first time I'm actually going to be holding one of these devices and actually seeing it in the flesh after all of these months.
Oh my god! Wow!
Ooh, and there it is. I have to say, the colorway actually looks a little bit different in person when compared to the renders that are on the box. Maybe that's something that would be obvious to most of you, but I'm still noticing the difference here. But the other thing that I'm noticing immediately is this new camera bar on the back. You can see it in this particular shot that it's got this really substantial lip right here. So you can see that the cameras are going to be a big focus of the back. After all, this is of course called the Pixel, so the cameras will have center stage. Turning things around, we have ourselves just this top portion right here. As far as the feel is concerned, right now it's feeling pretty standard. I mean, this is the base model Pixel 6, and the Pixel 6 Pro is going to have a larger display. Right off the bat, I do enjoy the feel. There's a roundedness to the sides that allows for a pretty easy grip. That being said, though, this camera bump is definitely something we might have to contend with a little bit, especially when it comes to cases. More on that in a little bit. And as far as size is concerned, when it comes to the Pixel 6, you're going to be seeing an increase in the overall size. With this new design language, you also get a much larger screen that does come with a higher refresh rate as well, so that's really nice to see. But just bear in mind that this will be a larger phone than the Pixel 5 you might have already gotten used to. One thing I do notice myself doing already is anchoring my finger here on the back. It doesn't necessarily help with the grip, but it is one of those areas where I just kind of find myself going. I do like the two-tone effect. Right above the camera bar, there's this yellowish green, and then below it, for the rest of the phone, it's like white, but it's got this sort of green hue to it as well. So there's a two-tone effect going on here, and it might be a little bit more obvious on the Pixel 6 Pro. That being said, as far as the unboxings are concerned, both of them will be pretty similar in that you only get this USB-C to USB-C cable. You do get an adapter here, which might actually come in handy in some cases. You do get an adapter here for transferring if you need to adapt your USB cord to the Pixels so that you can transfer all of your data over from a previous device, and then some documentation here at the top. No need to really dive into these too much, but that is the extent of the unboxing experience.
Yes! That's awesome!